There is evidence from a 2009 meta-analysis of 52 epidemiologic studies showing that the most physically active individuals had a 24% lower risk of colon cancer than those who were the least physically active. What you eat can drastically affect many aspects of your health, including your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Many foods contain beneficial compounds that could help decrease the growth of cancer. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound found in cruciferous vegetables that may have potent anti-cancer properties. Similarly, an animal study found that treating mice with sulforaphane helped kill off prostate cancer cells and reduce tumor volume by more than 50%. One analysis of 35 studies showed that eating more cruciferous vegetables was associated with a lower risk of colorectal and colon cancer. Carrots. Several studies have found that eating more carrots is linked to a decreased risk of certain types of cancer. For example, an analysis looked at the results of 5 studies and concluded that eating carrots may reduce the risk of stomach cancer by up to 26%. One study analyzed the diets of 1,270 participants with and without lung cancer. It found that current smokers who did not eat carrots were 3 times as likely to develop lung cancer, compared to those who ate carrots more than once per week. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is well known for its health benefits, including its ability to reduce blood sugar and ease inflammation. Cinnamon is a natural component showing a wide range of pharmacological functions including antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer activities. Impaired apoptosis plays a critical role in the initiation and progression of cancer. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice well known for its health-promoting properties. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a chemical with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer effects. Curcumin has also been shown to be effective in slowing the growth of lung, breast, and prostate cancer cells in other test tube studies.